Hey there, how are you doing? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you are an Unbounce user or if you would like to create landing pages fast and efficient, you will come across a point where you will have to make use of templates to speed up your design process so that you can get landing pages up and going as fast as possible because your marketing campaigns cannot wait. Now, if you are looking for templates, the obvious starting point for templates is within your Unbounce account. You get a special discount of 20% off for the first 3 months if you use the link below. Now, there are templates inside Unbounce itself, and you can get started with any of the templates that are available to you right here as soon as you log in to Unbounce account and click on create a page. Now, you can choose any of these templates, name your template, and make changes to your template depending on the brand, depending on the business, and depending on the campaigns you're launching. Now, if for some reason the templates that you have inside Unbounce are not enough, or if you'd like a little more creative freedom, another great place to go to is funnelserve, and you can have either a choice of landing page templates that you can use for Unbounce. I have about 4 or 5 templates at the moment, which you can swap and use for your brand. Now, depending on the kind of template you need, you could just pick up one template and make all the changes you want. The copy is already written for each page, and each page comes with 2 variants and mobile responsive. So it's all ready and set for you. All you need to do is change the copy, change your logos, change your images, and change the button colors and background colors going by your brand. Or you could have a custom landing page developed just in case none of the templates are appealing to you or you want a custom job done. You can click on custom designs and place an order. That's the second option for you if you're looking for Unbounce templates or a custom design on Unbounce. And the third place, Envato's Marketplace, or also called as themeforest.net. And once you're here and get to Marketing tab, you will find Unbounce landing pages. You'll be able to purchase templates right off the bat, and you will get an Unbounce file that you can upload to your Unbounce account and start using the way you normally use a template. So there are 3 options in summary. One is to choose and use one of the many templates available within Unbounce itself, if you can make that work for you. The second is to go to funnelserve.com and either place an order for a custom landing page, or you can choose to use one of the landing page templates that you can purchase and download immediately. And the third way is to go to themeforest.net, also called as Envato Marketplace, and purchase an Unbounce landing page template from one of the many available right here. Please be sure to understand that templates are templates and they don't work unless you make changes to them as appropriate to your brand, to your campaigns, and to your offers. If you are about to purchase an Unbounce account, please feel free to click on the link below, which is a special link that will allow you to get 20% off for the first 3 months of your paid account on Unbounce. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or send an email to hello@fetchprofits.com. Please like or share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Best wishes.